Welcome to Conversion Man headquarters of Dallas, Texas, folks. This is a 2021 Chevrolet Express high-top 7-passenger Explorer conversion van with 35,100 miles. It's got a clean Carfax, no accident history whatsoever. It's got lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring. Very, very, very nice vehicle. It's black with gray leather interior. It's got 20-inch wheels. It's got hideaway running boards made by Amp Research, so when you open up the doors, they automatically come down, and then when you shut the door, then they stow underneath. It's got the large 6.6 liter, 8-cylinder motor, 401 horsepower. This baby is ready to take a trip. You don't need to have a Suburban. You got all the room in the world. Let me show you my favorite part about the van. It is a trifold electric sofa. It'll turn into a bed with the press of a button. She's pressing the button right here. It'll slide forwards, backwards if we wanted, and it's laying completely flat. Beautiful leather. It's got a large 32-inch TV. It's got a sunroof in the back. It has Vista roof, which means it's got the high top and it's got the glass lets in the ambient light. It's got lit up cup holders. It's got cell phone chargers. It is absolutely loaded. And let me show you how this thing folds up. If you want those middle two chairs, they have quick release pedestals so you can remove them if you need extra room. They can also swivel 360 degrees. I'm 6'3". What I like to do is I swivel those chairs 180 degrees. I put my head here when it's laid flat, and then I span my legs onto those captain's chairs so I can relax while we're traveling the country. She shines and she shines. Absolutely gorgeous. Here are those two middle captain's chairs. They got tether anchors for the kids seats. There's Explorer logo badging. There's that sofa that turns into a bed. Sunroof, speakers, rear separate air conditioning from the front, mood lighting, and that large TV. You can stream while you're traveling down the road, watch your favorite movie. You got Blu-ray players, you got the game station here where you can bring in your favorite video game, hook it up. You don't have to have any annoying cords going up here to the TV dangling. They're actually all ran on the sidewall at a site. Looks super clean. Again, it's only 35,100 miles. Clean Carfax. Right in here we have headphones, so if you're traveling, you can turn off the speaker button right here, and then kids or whoever in the back, the adults, can just put on their headphones. The driver passenger can listen to their favorite radio station. And right here is a cell phone charger. Just put your cell phone, it'll automatically charge. And here's a subwoofer right here made by JBL. It's in the wall for that nice theater experience. And I'm doing this with one hand, but I was able to unlock the chair. I can slide her forwards, backwards. I can recline it as well. There's a recline button right there. Do the same thing with the other one if we wanted to. It's awesome. Watch those Amp Research. Look, they stow away. When you close the door, I'm gonna open it right now. Bam, they pop down. Leather's in great shape. Whole vehicle's in awesome shape. Here's a separate air conditioning heat just for the back. Right here, inside here, you can lift it open and you can put, it's a cooler, you can put, it's an ice chest, so you can put your favorite drinks, sandwiches. Like I said, here in the mirrors are the blind spot monitoring. It'll light up when you're trying to change lanes, letting you know if there's a car next to you. Absolutely beautiful. Black Beauty is her name. Lane keep assist, 110 charger. Backup camera is not only in your head unit, but it's also up here in your mirror as well. Here are the lights for the lower indirect lights, ceiling lights, cabinet lights, and your fog lights. Here's all the lights turned on. It's awesome. Folks, give us a call today, 469-272-7781. My name is Jeff, your conversion van headquarters out of Dallas, Texas. Always sell our conversion van, nothing else. That's what we specialize in. Here's that incredible 6.6 liter, 401 horsepower motor, legendary. Folks, it's got all the power you need. It can tow up to 10,000 pounds. It's got 20-inch tires made by BF Goodrich. They're all in excellent shape. All right, folks, won't last long. 469-272-7781. Our website's conversionvanhq.com. My name's Jeff, and my wife's name is Misty, and we look forward to speaking to you. Thank you.